Salut to le monde. Today we're diving into 10 must-know French phrases that will help you sound just like a local. These are the phrases that make you feel like you belong, like you're in on the secret. So let's jump right in and let's get you sounding effortlessly French. Number 1. Cahool. In English, you can say, how is it going? This one's for when you want to keep it casual, like saying what's up, but with a French twist. So imagine meeting a friend and instead of the usual salut, you go say cahool and they'll respond with oué, tranquille. It's perfect for those chill vibes, like you're just going with the flow. Next time you see a friend try cahool, they'll be impressed. Number 2, sa mouse. In English, you can say that works or okay. This is your go-to for saying sounds good or I'm in. If someone says on se retrouve à 18h, which means shall we meet up at 6, you just reply sa mouse. It's like saying I'm down for that. Super easy and a great way to show you're flexible and chill with plans. Number 3, n'importe quoi. In English, you can say nonsense. Now this one's fun. N'importe quoi. It's a way of calling out something ridiculous, like when your friend brags they can eat 50 croissants in an hour. Yeah, right. You just say n'importe quoi. It's got a bit of sass to it. So use it when someone's saying something totally over the top. Number 4, pas de souci. In English, you can say no problem. Here's a friendly phrase, pas de souci, which means no worries or no problems. If someone thanks you like merci pour ton aide, you can just respond pas de souci. It's laid back and warm. A nice way to say I've got your back. Number 5, c'est pas grave. In English, you can say it's okay or no big deal. This one's all about downplaying a situation. C'est pas grave, meaning it's no big deal. Like if someone's late and apologizing, you can just say c'est pas grave. It's calm and cool and lets the other person know you're totally relaxed about it. Number 6, brief. Or in English, you could say anyway or long story short. Now brief. I love this one. It's the French way to say long story short or anyway. You're telling a story, you want to cut to the chase, so you go brief and wrap it up. For example, j'ai rencontré mon ami. On a parlé des vacances. Brief. On s'est bien amusé. It's a real conversational shortcut, very handy. Number 7, c'est parti. Or in English, you can say, here we go, let's do this. Ready to get going? Then it's time for c'est parti. It's what you say when you're about to start something exciting or dive into an activity. Your friends say on y va, which is shall we go, and you shout c'est parti. It's like a mini pep talk in 2 words. Number 8, j'avoue. In English, you could say I admit or true. Here's one to show agreement. J'avoue, like saying I know, right? Or true, if your friend complains, say difficile de se lever le matin, or it's hard to get up in the morning, you can just nod and say j'avoue. It's a simple way to say, yep, totally agree. Number 9. Aplu, or you could say see you later in English. Here's a cool way to say see ya. Aplu. It's short for aplu ta, which literally means see you later. You can throw this out casually when you're leaving. Like bon, je dois y aller. Aplu. It's informal and perfect for friends. It just feels natural, you know. Number 10. Tranqui, or in English you could say chill or relaxed. And last but not least, tranqui, it means chill or relax, taking it easy. So if someone asks, comment s'est passé ton weekend? Or, how was your weekend? You can say, tranqui, j'ai juste regardé des films. It's super versatile and can describe anything low-key or laid back. Here's a recap of the 10 phrases you just learned. The two friends, Claire and Thomas, catch up at a cafe after not seeing each other for a while. Claire says salut, sahur. Hey, how's it going in English? Thomas says oué, tranqui, et toi? In English he said, yeah, all good. And you? So Claire said, ça marche. J'étais super occupée ces jours-ci. Bref, beaucoup de boulot. In English, she said, all good. I've been super busy lately. Anyway, lots of work. Thomas said, ah, j'avoue, c'est pas hell pour moi. In English, he said, yeah, too. Same for me. Claire said, bon, on prend un café. In English, Claire said, well, shall we grab a coffee? Thomas says, c'est parti. In English, he said, let's do this. They order and sit down. Claire says, j'ai entendu dire que tu as essayé de cuisiner pour 10 personnes la semaine dernière. N'importe quoi. In English, Claire said, I heard you tried cooking for 10 people last week. Ridiculous. And Thomas says, haha, oui, c'était un peu faux. Mais pas de souci. Tout le monde aime. In English, Thomas said, haha, yeah, it was a bit crazy, but no worries. Everyone loved it. Claire says, bon, il faut que j'y aille. Merci pour le café. In English, Claire said, well, I have to go. Thanks for the coffee. Thomas says, c'est pas grave. À plus. In English, Thomas said, no problem. See you later. So there you have it. 10 phrases that will make you sound like a true local. Start using these in your daily convos. And trust me, you'll feel more French in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more French tips and share which phrase you'll try first. À plus!